Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show a TEMU order that I have put together from a large order that I've had. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. And I'm just going to say real quick, because I know I say it in almost every video, but I'm going to make it a little easier this time. I am a TEMU affiliate. So you'll see a code appear right around here, and I won't keep it on so long on the screen. All the information about the affiliate program and for discounts and everything that's presented to you, if you search this code into the TEMU site or app, I will put it down in the description below. Or if you search the code itself, it'll present to you all of the different discounts and coupon bundles TEMU offers on their site. See how I did that one really quick? So without further ado, let's get to the paintings. So these are a little bit smaller, and mostly because of one of the paintings I really wanted to show, so I decided, let me show smaller ones so I can show that the last painting that I'll show in this little pile that I have. And they're flowers. I love flowers, and if you're a returning viewer, you know I just love flowers. I'm a big fan of them. Not just in paintings, but in real life as well. And so once you unfurl it, you'll have your diamonds and your standard kit. So just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is get the pen, press it into the wax, press into the diamond, press onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, in case it breaks or if you lose it, your next painting will have one as well. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I love that blue color. That's the first color I saw. Nice little peachy pink. Sorry, bubblegum pink. There you go. Ooh, sorry, I didn't mean to yell that. Bubblegum pink. I was thinking, I was like, is it bubblegum? And now that I look at it, yeah, it's a bubblegum color. I do like that color. And ooh, that nice grass green in the back. Love this really dark red. Of course, it's our 666 color. But I just noticed that the DMC codes for the diamonds are on the sleeves as well, so I really love that. Ooh, I love the colors on this one. And this is the painting. It kind of looks like a little drawing, a little patch of flowers with a white background, but I really fell in love because the flowers are really, really colorful. And I love when the paintings are really colorful style. So I'm a big, big fan of that. And apologies, I'm just picking up the plastic to assist it on settling down the creases. As you see, it's a little bit more flat. Oh my goodness, I really love this painting. I really do want to kit it up, but I gotta wait because I have a couple other 2020s I need to finish. So some information about this painting. It is U235 and it's a 20 by 20, and there are 16 colors, and luckily the legend is all in capitalized letter. I know I keep getting those words mixed up. I love these kind of legends because they're so much easier. And for this painting, at time of purchase, I believe I paid, it was a lightning deal. I believe I paid $1.23. I got it really discounted. And currently, I believe it went back up. It was $2.99 the last time I saw. But if you catch this one, because usually a lot of 20 by 20s, they'll put them in lightning deals. You can get it at a really discounted price. So I do recommend that for this. And I will put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little clearly. Little bushel flowers is your style as well. I just really love those colors. And for the next painting, yep, it's another flower one. As I said, I just love flowers, so it makes sense. Majority of my paintings are flowers. Some of my larger paintings as well are flower paintings. Then I've shown them before. Whenever I'm able to find smaller ones, especially pretty little images, I get so excited about it. Ooh, this little plastic covering is a little different. I think they took a large one and used it for the small one. Put it aside real quick, sorry. And standard kit, except this one's a little fancier. It has a multi-place, as you can see here. It's 3. I gotta remember to keep this one. I keep the 3s and 4s. I rarely see the 4s in plastic, but the 3s I always do. I keep them because I love using them. And little Ziploc bags in the back in case you have to save any extra diamonds you have once you're done with the painting. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I don't believe I've seen a small painting that has the diamonds already kitted up. This is really neato. I've never seen that. And kitting up means they've already organized all the diamonds for you. And they're all in numerical order. And they're all in Ziploc bags. That is really neat. I've never seen that. Oh, maybe this painting I'll work in Ziploc because I've never seen that. And it also includes the code number for the painting too. This is really neat. I kind of like this. And I love the colors too. I see all the purples and I'm a big fan of that. And this is the painting. They're a little bouquet, I guess you can call it, of tulips. They're so cute. When I saw this, I fell in love with the color. And I think it's such a cute image. And yeah, I can see where all the little purples are. Majority of them are going to be here. What I love is the background color. I rarely get a colored background. Usually it's white or black. Sometimes some gray. But I've never seen one with pink in the background. You know what? I think I will kit this one up because I'm really curious how it's going to come out. Especially since there's going to be a lot of pink. And I'm hoping it will help the flowers pop out a lot. I'm real excited about this one. And some information about the painting. It is XTM000. I really wanted to say moo, but I don't think it's that. The number 12. And it is a 20 by 20. And it is 15 colors. And this one, the numbers for the legend, for the number 1 through 7 are in numerical order. So 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And for 8 to the number 15, they're all capital letters. Oh, thank goodness there's no symbols. I'm not kidding. I really was going to say moo because it looks like moo to me. And oh my goodness, I really do like this little painting. And for this one as well, I'll make sure to put an image here so you can see more clearly. The nice little tulips. And you're not going to forget the moo now. Is warrior style. And this is the next painting. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this one. Okay, sorry. It's a happy taco. Or taco. It's so cute. When I first saw it, I really wanted to pick it up. So, I mean, come on. It's a happy taco. And I love tacos. I think a majority of us do. And when I saw it, I was like, you know what? I don't mind having a nice little painting of a taco on my wall. It's so cute. I am so excited about this. Sorry about that. And yeah, same thing. Standard kit. And as I said, they always got your back. And this one is fancy as well. It has a multi-placer for 3. Got to keep this one. And some Ziploc bags in the back as well. Ooh, I like that. I'm starting to get fancier ones now. And this is the date. This are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I didn't even buy a lottery ticket. This is a lucky day today. As I said, I don't see a lot of smaller paintings kitted up. Or in Ziploc bags and all of that. This is interesting. And I love that they're doing that. Because I know a lot of diamond painters prefer this than cutting up the little sachets of diamonds that you would have to pour and organize. I really hope that they'll keep doing this style because they'll save a lot from plastic that they will have to throw. So, and myself, I do reuse the Ziploc bags because they're already numbered. So they're really good, especially if you love using Ziploc bag style. So, shout out to the diamond painting companies producing these. Keep doing this. Trust me, we're loving it. And I do love the colors, by the way. I just got so excited about that. I love this dark teal. I love all the blues. They're so pretty. Oh, I really love the colors. I love the dark red, too. I spotted it. Oh, I love that maroon. And this is the paint. As I said, it's just a happy taco. So, I'm sorry. I love little cute images. Like, I really do. And I've never really seen a 20 by 20 that has a cute little small image before. I think only once, I believe. And it was one of my little white tiger I did a long time ago. And it was a 20 by 20. But I've never seen a cute little drawn painting of, you know, something cute and happy. I do have another one that I had purchased, but it's a different image. I'm waiting for that one to come in. It's a cute drawn one as well. So cute. I cannot wait to get it. And that's all it is. It's just a happy little taco with this little smiley face, little blush there, lettuce and tomato, and a wonderful blue background. Again, I am surprised it is not white. I really hope they still, any other 20 by 20s I can find, they'll have colored backgrounds as well. Because I really want to see a lot of the color pop, a lot of the images for us. I'm super excited about it. And some information about the painting. It is XTM00078. Again, the moo came back. It is 20 by 20 and it is 15 colors. And for the legend, the numbers 1 through 7 are all numerical order. Thank goodness. And for numbers 8 through 15, they're all capital letters. Thank goodness as well. No symbols. Just super simple, really easy. So when you spot the numbers, you know where to be placing. I'm sorry, anything in the legend will be real easy to place. Oh my goodness, I just love staring. Okay, this one I am going to kit up next. After this video, I'm going to kit it up and start making my happy little taco. And for this painting as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see more clearly. And the happy little taco makes you all smiley as well. Sorry, I got real excited when I knew I was going to show this painting. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I was just so excited to show, well, all of these paintings. The flower ones are just gorgeous, and the happy taco just makes me happy. And for all of this, I will put in the information below. And my apologies, I forgot to state, for the tulips, I got that one for lightning. Well, actually, all of these I got for lightning deals. For the tulips, it was around the price of $130, I believe. And I believe the last time I saw that one was on lightning deal again. So I'll make sure to put the links below. So if you liked any of those paintings, you can pick them up real quick, especially if they're still on the lightning deal. If it leaves, usually the lightning deals will appear again, if not the next day, the day after. So just keep an eye out, and it'll always use the alerts. TEMU, always sends alerts whenever any of the paintings you favorited that you like will start going back on deals. And for my happy little taco, this one I got it for $1.15. So it was a really good deal when I picked it up. And the last time I saw this one was on lightning deal. So I'm not too sure what the price is right now. I just knew it was on the deal. I was just excited that I was able to get the painting before. And so yeah, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel to be out there and allow me the opportunity to show all these wonderful paintings. Happy taco as well to everyone who loves diamond paintings as well. And again, thank you for the time. Thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.